Hey guys, so I found this beast while metal detecting for gold in Surrey, BC. It's almost certainly glacially transported, so 12,800 years of weathering means any surface features will be long gone, so we'll just skip the external features for now. Its density is 295, give or take 0.5. Mohs hardness is equal to hardened glass, that includes the silicates. The streak powder color is white, which seems a little odd considering how dark the material is. The magnetic attraction is decent. The magnetometer reads between 100 and 130 microteslas with spikes well beyond 300 in many places. From the very start, I believed it to be an impactite, just based on the highly cataclastic, extremely reworked appearance that was obvious even on the surface, along with a wide variety of lithologies, textures, and rock types. There are domains of parent breccia, there are domains of plagioclase, domains of various melts, just to name a few, along with countless classes of every size and type conceivable, all reworked together amongst this jambalaya mashed potato-looking boulder. Through field testing, I've determined that this impactite contains a relatively high amount of metallic iron, seen mostly as flecks, aggregates, and clusters of aggregates. The metal draws a magnet, scratches with a steel blade, and is electrically conductive, hence the metallic iron diagnosis. There's also a brassy apparent sulfide present at a ratio less than 1/10 the volume of the metallic iron. Often mixed with or enclosed by metallic iron, this brassy sulfide appears primarily in fine flecks as well as very fine veins that cut through clasts and grains. It also appears in small aggregates and larger, what I would call dotted veins for lack of the proper lingo. You've probably noticed what appears to be a wide variety of melt glasses of various type, color, and various stages of lithification. You may also observe melt stringers, Schillerian structures, and all sorts of melt inclusions, as well as kink banding and planar fracturing in PDFs. You should also observe what I had first believed to be chondrules before close examination showed a different crystalline structure than that of chondrules. These glassy spherules present in several colors, sizes, and stages of crystallization, from clear to translucent to black and opaque. A couple of the clear ones are even close to a centimeter in size. A picture should go by or have gone by of one of the ones I took the liberty of polishing up, so y'all can see the distinct crystalline structure contained. The dark spherules are difficult to spot, except when they are highlighted by background clast or metallic iron or whatnot. There are also thin black shock veins visible throughout the boulder, hiding in plain sight. You may also notice several can be seen to cross paths. These shock veins also cut through the clasts and grains as though they weren't there. When thin-sectioned and magnified, especially under cross-polarization, the extensively shocked nature of this material becomes quite unmistakable and exposes what certainly appears to be the evidence of multiple shock events. If this is indeed the case, it would essentially be diagnostic evidence that this impactite could only be extraterrestrial in origin, and from a planetary body that would have to be devoid of an atmosphere or an active crustal geology. I'm fairly certain that y'all are smart enough to have a pretty good idea where I'm going with this. The last and only remaining requirement is to test the chemical composition and finally determine once and for all if it is a pseudo, a terrestrial analog of, or North America's first actual chunk of Earth's natural satellite. Astronomical odds behind Mother Nature's Powerball, but somebody's got to win that jackpot eventually. And this is my submission. It's free to play. That's the best part. Right, rock on, guys. I mean, we got a couple seconds here to spare, so yeah. Hey, I got a good feeling about this. You know, I think I do.